Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the mod on Flipboard. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the mod on Flipboard. Maybe because you are a person who prefers scrolling the screen like you scroll on other social media platforms, so you want the same thing on the Flipboard. Or maybe you likes the flipping the screen because it looks better than scrolling. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the mode of Flipboard. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Flipboard app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on the icon of the Flipboard to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen, at the top, at the middle, and even at the bottom of the screen. So first I'll show you what the mode is that. So here as you can see we have a content on the screen. Mostly what happens when we use on social media is that we scroll down to get to more content. For example, if I have to go down to the page, I will put my finger and scroll down. But here you can see on the flipboard there are two modes. Right now the flipping mode is turned on. That's why whenever I put my finger and try to scroll down, the page gets flipped. That means whenever I flip the screen, new content gets on the screen. But if you don't want that, if you want the scrolling thing because you think scrolling the screen is more easy, so we will see how you can get that. Or if you want the flipping mode, then we will see how you can get that. So at the bottom as you can see we have right now 5 options. The selected one is called home, this one is the following one, and this one is for the exploring the content on the app, and this one is for the alerts and notifications on the app. And the last one is called profile, or it has a profile icon. We have to get to this option, so for that just simply tap on it and your profile will open. Once a profile gets open you will see its interface. It has your name, your username, your profile picture. After that what you have to do here is that you have to click on this setting icon and then settings will open. Once the settings will open you could see its title and you will see different options here. So here we have this second section in which we have the third option which says mode. Right now it is selected on flip as you can see. So we will see how we can change it to the scroll one, and if you have a scroll one then we will see how we can get to the flipping one. So once you click on here you can see there are two options. The flip one is selected that we saw earlier in the video, and now we will see how we can change it. So to change it you just have to simply click on scroll and then you will get back, and here you can see the now screen is getting scrolled like we do on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook. So for that you again have to go to your profile, again go to settings, and there you have to go to mode, and then you can choose any one of these options. So if I click on flip, the screen gets start flipping, and if I click on scroll the screen gets start scrolling. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer, whatever you like. You just have to simply select it and it will work according to it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the mode of Flipboard. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.